Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back your lovely faces to another video here on the channel. As you can see, it's been a little bit updated. We're still trying to get some more lights to make it more poppy for everyone. But ladies and gentlemen, we have got great news. Huge news. Judge Penny has thrown this out for the third time. Denied AH's request of having the suit tossed out, which is just amazing. Obviously, we've seen her do this now twice before. Bruce White, he was like, no, don't be stupid, we're not going to get rid of it. You know, did it again. Same thing, went forward the same, we want to do this, we want to get rid of it. No. She did it again, and Judge Penny basically said, no, don't be stupid, Johnny Depp had an unfair trial in the UK. That is just amazing to me, because the way she has gone about this case, she has literally looked through everything properly. She has gone through the evidence. She has looked through the case files, and she's like, no, this man has not had a fair trial. He's still being held to some regard from the UK trial, but he did not get fair. So let's do this. So we're going to fade on over to it, and we're going to have a little look at an article from Deadline. It is in Courthouse News and everywhere else, but this one is a little bit, it's a bit more bolder. Johnny Depp gratified after AH fails to get $50 million defamation suit tossed. Again, Aquaman star sought dismissal based on UK liable verdict. Updated with statement from Johnny's lawyer. Johnny Depp is complaining that Hollywood is boycotting him, but a Virginia judge just handed the Minamata star a big win in his $50 million defamation lawsuit against her. Already pursuing a $100 million counterclaim, which, to be honest with you, that's gone out the window because she's still working in Aquaman 2. She hasn't lost anything. She attempted the Hail Mary move in April to have Fairfax County Chief Judge Penny dismiss the 2-year-old case based on her ex-husband losing the case in the UK late last year, against the Sun tabloid designation of the Oscar nominee as this. Subsequently, Depp lost in trying to get the British verdict overturned on appeal, now in what was the third unsuccessful time trying to send the older Dominion matter packing. It is AH who came up short today. The court is not persuaded by defendant's argument that plaintiff had a full and fair opportunity to litigate the UK action. Let's pause that if you don't care about that. Judge Penny wrote in a dense opinion released today. Read it here, which we will be. We're going to click that and go there. Defendant was not a part in the UK action and was not treated as one. She continues, though it should be mentioned that both AH and Depp took the stand over in London on their respective POVs on the various allegations. Because she was not named a defendant, she was not subject to the same discovery rules applicable to named parties. With that, we actually went over that on stream, nearly all of us did, and she keeps getting it being like, I won in London. You didn't, because you were not a party. Judge Penny has actually finally told her this. In fact, defendant cannot be named defendant to the UK litigation because her allegedly defamatory statements were made after the UK action commenced, citing the December 2018 Washington Post op-ed by AH that set Depp off on his legal pursuit not long afterward, because it was April when the Sun did it, and she was way later in December. Then, noting comparisons between free speech in the UK and free speech in the US are untenable in this instance, Judge Penny twisted the point a little more. Defendant argues she was in privity with the Sun because they both had the same interest in the case. However, for privity to exist, defendant's interest in the case must be so identical with the Sun's interest such that the Sun's representation of its interest is also a representation of the defendant's legal right. Judge Penny also proclaimed in her sometimes biting opinion, at one point calling AH's assertions puzzling. I love this because with this article it shows you that Deadline don't like it. They're like, oh, the judge is taking Johnny's side. How dare she? I think this is amazing because they're finally realising. They're like, oh, maybe this is right. Maybe the judge is right. What's happening here? Johnny Depp didn't get a fair trial. Look at all the rubbish that they did in the UK. People are finally turning, and it's amazing to see because AH is a horrible person. She has lied numerous times. She's been arrested for all of this, what she's claiming he's done to her before. There's police records. There's mugshots of her. Any of Johnny Depp? No. The Sun's interest were based on whether the statements in the newspaper published were false. The 10-page opinion letter adds, defendant's interests relate to whether the statements she published were false. Mr. Depp is most gratified by the court's decision. The actor's lawyer Ben Chu of the DC office of Brown Rudnick told Deadline tonight, with both brevity and understatement. They do not like it because the judge has gone, yes, this is what's going on. Johnny Depp did not get a fair trial. They hate it. Hit and miss in his legal adventures over the past several years, this is the second victory that defied Fantastic Beasts star Johnny Depp has had against AH in almost as many weeks. Earlier this month, the New York judge ruled that Johnny Depp could conduct a determination if his Rum Diary co-star really did donate a portion of the $7 million divorce settlement to the ACLU, as she has widely proclaimed. So, that right by there. Deadline and all the other places, they've all gone, no, she's gone on forward and she's actually said that she was going to pledge it. They've gone there now. She's widely proclaimed because they know now that the wheels of her bus are falling off and they absolutely hate it. But I'm loving it. Having been delayed on numerous occasions between the pandemic and more, currently the Virginia matter is set to go to trial in April. Alleging that AH's Washington Post piece cost the Jack Sparrow actor a role in Disney's Pirates reboot. It wasn't going to be a reboot at that time. They didn't announce a reboot until after all this had happened. The initial suit also staked out that Johnny Depp actually was the real victim in the couple's short-lived marriage, which is 100% true. While the op-ed never actually mentioned him by name, the downward spiral of the couple's relationship ended in full public view in 2016, with the actor paying his now ex-wife big bucks that she might have given to charity. AH is not a victim of this, she is a perpetrator. That's what we got from, obviously, the filing of the suit and everything else. But this is what we got, so you can just go on here, say a few things, but we've already seen it. And obviously about ACLU dragged in, Disney, LAPD, Elon Musk, two with a wide-ranging subpoenas from both sides. The judge's opinion today means that it's likely more big names will be added before it's over. That's what we have by there. But then we also have the actual documentation right by here, which is absolutely amazing. What I will do, I will leave a link to the to this opinion piece down below. But obviously, because I've been away, I haven't spoken with a lot of you. I'm thinking of doing a live stream now on, not Thursday, not tomorrow, on Friday evening. It'll probably be about 7 to 8 o'clock Friday evening UK time. So what we will do, we will have that by there, ladies and gentlemen, because, well, this is just fabulous news. If anyone else thinks it's not great news, then, well, they're in denial. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for future updates, and I'll see each and every one of you soon.